I am using a new tripod. I am attempting to put the bike on the center stand so that I can wash it easier and, more importantly, clean and oil the chain. I've never done this before, but I've watched YouTube videos. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so far not so great. I know when it's balanced according to CADV training, it's not supposed to like really weigh much. It's supposed to be, it's really windy here too. Maybe that has anything to do with anything. Oh, I remember, you're supposed to put your bike into first gear. Nope, I didn't manage to do that. Okay, I think you're supposed to put the bike in first gear so it doesn't roll away. Maybe I should. Damn it. The video again. Did I just crack my camera? Fuck. I mean, gosh golly. That was fun. Trying a new tripod stand. That is awful. Okay, I did manage to put it in first gear. Well, dropped the camera. The first battery lasted all of like 5 minutes. I have no idea why. Going to try to put it on the center stand one more time. I'm noticing the passenger peg is totally in the way, so that's making it really hard for me to get my foot on the center stand. And I know you're supposed to pull it straight back, not try to pull it up, but whew. Yeah, I was getting nowhere, so let's try again. I know there's some kind of crazy science involved, and I don't understand it because it just feels like Nowheresville. So I'm gonna just at least wash the bike, and I'll just roll it and clean the chain manually. That just sucks. I mean, I was gonna manually clean the chain anyway, but having it up on the center stand meant I could spin the chain and not have to guess. Alright, I got this new motorcycle wash. It's called Muck Off. And you wet the bike. I forgot to record myself wetting because I got distracted because I know I bought a sprayer nozzle for my hose. And I can't find it anywhere. I know I bought it on Amazon. It's not where it should be. So I had to just use the hose. So anyway, you're supposed to spray it all over and then wash it down. Give her a rub down. I don't know. I'm used to just filling up a bucket with soapy water, but we'll give it a go. Still kind of doing the soapy bucket water thing because you need to rub it down. And of course the hose line out of the bucket, because why not? I guess I should be happy, at least I'm not having to polish chrome. Well, evidently you shouldn't leave rechargeable batteries on the charger for a year because they keep going out after about 5 minutes. This is actually my third battery. I did wash the bike. Now I'm going to try to clean the chain. My friend Gary's supposed to be coming over to see if we can get the bike on the center stand, but in the meantime I can start trying to clean the chain at least. Hey, welcome.
Hello, gorgeous.
Well, let me hand you this gift certificate while we're...
Oh, I don't even need that from you, sweetheart.
Hold on, I'll help. So I thought I read it was supposed to be in first gear so it wouldn't roll. Is that right?
Because the rear tire is going to come off the ground.
So it is in first gear.
So you just press down this pedal.
And then
Lift up a little bit.
wow, you really got it.
It took me a few minutes to get mine. I'm like, what the hell? And then I realized push and pull up at the same time, and it just rocked back.
Up?
About this
Okay,
far.
because they said don't pull up.
Well, this thing's in the way.
Right? Okay, that's what I said.
That's in the way. Now
Yeah.
put it down a little bit. Then you press down. But that took some strength.
Yeah.
Do people watch much easier?
Okay, so then I'm supposed to, now I have to put it in neutral because
Yeah,
I have
so you
to
can
roll
move.
the wheel.
Yeah.
Do you mind hanging out for a second?
Yeah.
I really am happy to give you that drink certificate. Oh, the keys are too far away. That's just, I was hoping, I'm like, well, I know he runs down to Empire sometimes for a quick one.
Oh, I'm gonna do that right now.
Okay,
It was
well
a good
then let me
excuse
give
to
you
have
this
it
gift
covered in
certificate.
Transmissions.
Do you want to go in and wash up or anything?
No, I wiped off with my grease and wax remover.
Okay, so
And I'm going back right to it, so.
if I, oh, there it goes.
What happened?
When I spin the tire, the chain moves.
It has to, because it's not like a 10-speed where you freewheel it backwards.
Okay,
This is solidly bolted to your axle.
right. So how long? The chain isn't that long. So if I cleaned some of it, when I just spun it like that, do I see the rest?
Oh, yeah, you can spray that down with your hose or whatever. That's been a...
Well, I got the chain cleaner here and a scrubby thing. because that part's like.
Yeah, the grease is getting in there. There's dirt in the grease.
Right,
That
so
causes-
so I do this. Okay, so then, oh, if I hold this, I'll know if it's gone all the way.
Right.
Awesome. Because I was like, how do I tell if I've done it already? That lets me know. And maybe what I'll try to do is try to get it off the center stand myself. And then you'll be here if I fall.
Yep.
Okay, so did I get it all? I think I got it all.
All of its parts.
Okay, so now, do I need to rinse this or just oil it?
Water soluble, you can rinse it off if you like. And then oil it.
Okay, rinse it, oil it. Do you have time?
Mm-hmm.
I just put the hose away because I thought I was done. Here, if I hand this to you. I thought I bought a sprayer, but I couldn't find it. Do I need to roll this higher? Probably should.
Go ahead.
It's fun. Hey, I'm fine. I have my towel. Wet chain lube.
That one let it dry down a little bit.
Do I need to dry it?
I would let it dry. Lube doesn't like sticking to water.
Okay, well, I'm trying not to waste your time. Let me grab that gift certificate.
You can always just start it, put it in gear, and let the water fling off.
I don't understand.
Start it, put it in gear, let the water fling off.
Start it, put it in gear.
Let the clutch out.
Oh, it won't because kickstand's down.
Oh, got it. All right.
Yep, it'll only be in neutral. But I have lots of microfiber towels I could.
Just wipe her down.
Huh?
Go ahead and just wipe her down. All right. Now get your spray, roll the wheel, and just
Ooh.
that lube.
Big hand vigorously apply to chain and transmission. Wipe excess away with cloth. What's the transmission? The gear up there.
So hold it at the opening and spray.
Oh, I didn't mark it.
That should be good.
Okay, and then this gear up there.
No, that inside hole. We were doing it right.
Okay. Let's see if I can get it off the center stand. That was fast.
Mm-hmm.
You already did your bike. I can't like go help you.
No, I still got to pull the whole front end of the bike off just to get the.
Oh my shit. So I was told, like, put it in first and try to drive, but I can't do that, huh?
Because you run back wheels off the ground.
Right.
Just rock forward. You're almost there.
Wait! I did it!
Yep.
Ah! That's awesome!
There you go.
Oh, that was great. And my kickstand stayed down the whole time, so I wasn't at risk for dropping the
Tumbling
baby.
over, yeah.
So cool. Oh, thank you.
Just Excellent. You're welcome. Oh, I miss booby hugs. They're so awesome.
Thank you. All right. Woo, go team.
Have a great day.
Thanks to you and Bingo tonight.